I could do this all day.
So we made it to the first state, Delaware. During this trip, we boondocked at a ghost town in Maryland, dipped our toes in the golden sands of Virginia Beach. Our kids faced their fear of heights ziplining through a swampy forest, and we savored one of the best milkshakes in the country. If you missed those 2 episodes, we are going to leave the link in the description below. Now we arrived at Yogi Bear's Jellystone Park in the Delaware beaches. We will have a campground review about this place soon, but for now, enjoy our family adventures at this wonderful place.
It's open! Yes! Oh, there goes the bucket! Oh my goodness! Must be. Oh wait, it says Yogi Bear. No, like the.
We have arrived.
You just go straight, and then you should see it.
All right, 89. So here's a little problem that we never had before. The floor was a little, if we wanted to open the stairs on the concrete pad, we couldn't extend the legs at all. If we put the feet of the stairs on the concrete pad, this part here was going to be in an angle and we were not going to be able to close the door. So we have to remove the legs from the stairs and just put a piece of wood underneath. So these are the ones that we had to remove. Only took 1 second, but there you go. New problem that we just learned how to fix.
Hey guys, so we just made it to Jellystone in Delaware, and we are just about to explore. It looks like a pretty cool campground. It has a nice water park and stuff, so yeah, we're gonna go explore.
So today is day 2. We got rain last night, and today is cloudy. I don't know if you can see behind me. So we hope we're gonna have a good day. Our site is pretty flooded. I think they're gonna have to do something at this campground. Let me show you. Like when you walk around it, it's pretty much just like walking on a swamp. And it stopped raining a while ago. I cleaned the fire pit and got it drained, and it's back to this. So at least we have the little concrete pad, so it's not too bad. The good thing is that they seem to be working in this campground in improving things. And yesterday we were having a conversation with the general manager, who we actually knew when he was at another campground before, and he was telling me about all the things that they're doing here, and we are excited to give it a try, maybe, I don't know, next year or the year after, and see how much they have improved. Hey, what's happening here?
So if you notice, we have pots and pans, and by the way, we are not cooking. So you can go to Yogi Bear's cabin and try to wake him up. So like you bang the pots and pans and stuff, and then you try.
So you're gonna wake him up with that?
Yeah.
Can you give me a little demo? Oh my God, it worked! The bear is awake! Look at this!
That's so funny. 1, 2, 3.
You guys were loud enough. We can and beat on our pots and pans, okay? You guys ready? Yep. You sure you're ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's try it. 1, 2, 3.
Alright, so we just left the campground and we are going to check out, I think there's 2 really close beaches. Slaughter Beach, not loving that name.
It's a pretty ominous name, right?
Yeah, and what was the other one? Rehoboth?
I think Cape Henlopen is not too far away. Rehoboth Beach, I'm not sure, but I think it's probably like 10 miles away.
Okay.
But
So
we
we're
don't want to
just-
go that far, right?
No, we are pretty much just taking a quick excursion because we don't have a lot of time. So we just want to check out what's around in the area. So we'll see.
Guys, look what I found.
I thought it was a turtle. No,
Me
it's
too.
a horseshoe crab. Got too far away from the
How
shore.
did it get up here all the way? I see a bone.
Yeah, there
Alright,
is
let's
a big
go
boat.
check.
I thought it was a lot more.
You see more?
Yep.
Oh yeah, look at this.
I found more.
There are many of them here. There's absolutely no one in this beach. I could do this all day. Just beachcombing, looking for cool little rocks. And this beach is perfect for that. Do you like doing this, Happy?
Yeah.
This one has 2 different colors.
I want it.
And look at this one. This one looks like glass.
Yeah. I want it.
You want it? The dark color of the water is probably because we had a pretty big storm last night. So maybe like a river gets a little murkier when it's storming. I don't know. If any of you have been here at this beach and you know anything about this place or why they call it the way they call it, let us know in the comments. There are just hundreds and hundreds of the horseshoe crab all over this beach. And if you go up here, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 in just this little area here. So there are probably thousands of them here in this entire beach.
Baby, come on. I don't want to go on the
You got in, Arlo? So we found this amazing little shop. They sell fruit and vegetables. They have a barbecue little pit truck, but it's really unique. Let's go check it out. And you're a veteran?
Yes.
Thank you for your service. You serve Vietnam vet. So tell me about this place.
It's all teak wood imported in from Indonesia. That's all driftwood. All these tables are driftwood.
You bring it from Indonesia?
Indonesia.
Wow.
Yes.
And how do you go to the process of selecting all these?
They send us pictures.
And then, you
then
pick...
we say yay or nay. And that's how it goes.
And what about the beautiful carvings and sculptures there?
That's all teak.
Uh-huh.
That's all teak wood.
Wow.
And that's our clearance table up there.
Uh-huh.
We have that on clearance to make room for flowers.
Okay. How did you find such a different?
Gorgeous.
You just appreciate the beauty.
The eye.
Wonderful. Where are we located right now? What is this?
Fresh Connection fruit and vegetable stand.
All right. What town is this?
Milford, Delaware.
Milford, Delaware. All right. What did you say?
I love like the shelf ones, the ones that look like tables or a shelf.
Yeah.
Very
He told me that all of this is driftwood brought from Indonesia.
cool. Oh.
Yeah.
I thought maybe it was just stuff we found local.
Are you happy now? You love this place now?
Yes.
Explain everybody why you were so happy about this.
Oh, so sometimes when we traveled, I can't find my iced tea, which is what I drink pretty much every day. And I ran out a couple days ago, and this is the first place that I found it.
So your favorite place of the whole trip? So we just made it out of the campground. We are on our way home. We did it just in time because the rain is getting pretty bad. We think that storm that is hitting the northeast coast is heading our way. So thank you for coming with us. We'll see you next week. Bye-bye.